What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be telling you guys how to optimize your landing page for your audience to make sure your conversion rates scale up. So for that the process is very simple. What you have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it. Sign in with your account in the Mailchimp. Once you have signed in, you will be able to access the dashboard. So the link to the Mailchimp will be in the description below. Make sure you guys check it out. All you have to do is to navigate to the campaigns. Here you have to click on the if you have email templates, otherwise just this dashboard will open up. If you already have a landing page in your customization tab, you can go to the edit button, just click on edit, and then you will land over here. Here what you have to do is to make sure you edit it according to what I'm gonna tell you. Just first go to the edit audience button. First thing first, make sure that your headline is very clear because it's something that is going to attract your audience. Second thing is your sign up form. Make sure don't add any unnecessary fields. Make sure keep it simple to the point, and make sure you should have a sepia button which should have a contrasting color. For me here, this doesn't work. This is a no-go to area. Make sure that your subscribe button have a high contrast color, it's clearly visible, and use words like join now, subscribe, or something like that. That is a go-to button. And once you have that, and make sure you must add any images or videos related to what you're doing so that it increase the trust factor. Also add the testimonials, case studies, or the logos of the brands that you already work with, so it also increase the value in the and add minor touch in the trust factor as well. So this is pretty much it. These are the basic things. Stick to the basics, but make sure that you don't over complex things. That's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.